All right, we're just gonna do a quick little kind of progress update on this house that we're building. It's been a busy week. I actually wasn't around for a couple of days this week, kind of working on something that is a little bit different, a little bit of a transition. I'm gonna make a video of it here soon, hopefully early in the next year, as soon as I get some more things set up and yeah, all of the documents signed, I guess, for a pretty big, yeah, kind of a little bit of a transition, but it'll be awesome. It's neat. So anyways, what we're talking about is this house we're building. The guys were out here on Friday and got a good chunk of the soffit and fascia worked on. So we were doing black soffit, black fascia, we're gonna do black eaves troughs, and we're doing like a dark brown siding, which is gonna be hopefully early into the next year as soon as our windows come in, and they're delayed until January 15th, I believe it is. So not too terrible, but anyways, let's walk around and see where we're at. This is our soffit and fascia installation. Look at that. Look at that. Start in the peak, work your way down so you got the same on each side. Awesome 45s line up perfect. Heck yeah. Just like that too, the 45. They start right in the middle of the peak and then work your way down on each side on the gable ends, and you end with a nice even piece on each side and it looks very symmetrical. So that's how we do it. This is, yeah, the back side of the garage. There's going to be a back deck right there, which is walkout right from the kitchen. This is our master bedroom vault. There's actually a triangle window in there. We just haven't cut it out yet because, well, we're waiting for the windows, so keep it covered as much as we can. As you can tell that there's no windows cut out on this whole side. There's actually windows in there. We just got them covered over, keep the snow out of the house and keep it nice and dry. So here's our timber frame, timber post and beam, our back deck, wrap around. If I can get up here without falling. There we go. There. We got all of our framing done on the inside. These little funky little areas here, we're gonna have to spray foam that up top. This whole truss is gonna get plywooded in and spray foam from the backside up in that attic space, and then we can do our drywall backing across that flat part and, yeah, just plane it out, make sure it's all good. Kitchen area here, there's going to be a wraparound cabinets, a big peninsula, and a island is going to be in the middle. There's, yeah, obviously windows there that are covered over to keep the snow out. Boom, boom, boom. But look at that. Nice tall ceilings in the living room. 14-foot ceilings, vaulted as well throughout the whole main area. This is going to be just the main bathroom here. There you can see all of the paint marks that we put on the floor. Toilet, sink is actually going to be swapped over to here. That's actually a urinal. Urinal is going to get moved over to that side. So a few things to change. Laundry room, washer, dryer, cabinets, countertops. Pretty straightforward. Walk down the hallway. First left is our master bathroom, or master bedroom, sorry. Yeah, two big windows there as well. That's the triangle window that I was talking about that's all covered up. Well, somewhat covered up. Master ensuite, vanity. It's going to be a walk-in shower. I'm not totally sure if this is going to be a framed wall or just a glass wall on those two sides. Window above the toilet, again covered up. Sorry, we live in a crappy cold climate that is always snowing, so we're trying to keep the snow out of the house as much as we can. 2 bedrooms here, nothing too special about them, just a 12 by 12 bedroom, closet. This will be the stairs going down into the basement, and right now, maybe tough to tell, but we just got insulated tarps covering the whole thing. We're waiting on electrical to be hooked up so we can get some heat pumped down there and get some heat down there hopefully before Christmas time, and keep it heated over the holidays, and then we'll get the cement slab poured first thing in January. So this is the main bathroom, I guess, or back entry bathroom. There's going to be a tub shower combo there, a vanity, and toilet. So again, this is going to get it all spray foamed, and then we'll put that tub unit in, and then we're ready for drywall. So we spray foam the entire house, from the floor joists all the way up until the roof, actually the heels of the trusses. I'll see if I can, let's see, where do we got? Right there. Heels of the trusses, that's insulation stops, and those get all spray foamed right up on top of, ooh, where do we got? Right there. That gets all spray foamed as well as the walls and totally sealed, and then the ceilings will get vapor barrier poly, and blown in insulation is going to be R60 for our current codes and current climates. They changed it, I believe, last year, went from R40 to R60. So yeah, quite a bit of insulation. I mean, it definitely gets cold, so well worth it. And then back out to the front door. Front entrance is going to be, for one, pretty awesome view. You can actually see the mountains, the Rocky Mountains there, when it's a nice clear day and there's no clouds. You can just see them there. If you zoom in close enough, you'll be able to see them. But wraparound deck, our nice 8x8 posts, 4x10 beams. Yeah, pretty awesome. So yeah, like I say, the guys were here on Friday. I was kind of bouncing around a little bit from some other jobs and catching up on some paperwork. They got all the insulation stops in. It looks like in the whole house and the garage. So all of those are all done as well, which is awesome. Now we're ready for, we're going to do the roof. Actually, we're going to start shingling it here, which is going to be our plan on, well, I shouldn't say Monday, but early this week. Yeah, we got it all loaded. All the shingles are up top there. Paper's on, obviously, keeping all the water out, the snow out. Had a pretty good dump of snow this week, so kind of, instead of shingling, we jumped onto Soffit and fascia. But yeah, now that it's nice and it's melted, I shoveled all the snow off of the roof, actually. So yeah, that's our plan. That's our, I guess, update on this build. I'll try and take some decent videos of our shingling process and our soffit and fascia install and how we do it. Yeah, kind of a busy week here before Christmas, but we should be able to get this place wrapped up and totally sealed up and shingled, and then we'll be on to some siding early in the new year. So awesome. Well, thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and follow along and see the progress of this build and everything else that we're up to. We got some big things coming in the new year. Can't really fully say yet, but stay tuned and I think you'll like it. It's pretty awesome.